अबे कुड़ियों, कोरियन की स्किन इतनी खूबसूरत कैसे होती है? आए पूछते हैं यूलिया से। यूलिया के माशाल्लाह 3 बच्चे हैं और कहीं से देख के लगता है कि इनके 3 बच्चे हैं, लेकिन इनकी जिल्द हो गई, इनका वे ऑफ कैरिंग हर सेल्फ हो गया। भाई क्या राज है? व्हाट इज द सीक्रेट बिहाइंड द कोरियन ब्यूटीफुल स्किन?
Definitely the first most important step is cleansing. Do you know that in Korea, it's most important to do double cleansing?
Wow.
What is double cleansing?
What is double cleansing?
The first one, we actually use an oil cleanser because we believe that, especially makeup, right?
Yes.
When it's oil based, and then you use the oil cleanser to remove it first. After you wash this, then you use the normal foam cleanser to remove the oil from the oil
ठीक है,
cleanser.
पहला टिप होगी डबल क्लेंजिंग, यानी कि एक तो ऑयल बेस्ड क्लेंजर, दूसरा फिर आपने दूसरा फोमिंग वाला फेशियल वो क्लेंजर यूज किया.
Right. Nice. And then now there is a new trend actually, where instead of just your normal cleanser, there is a tool that you can use to foam up your cleanser. So we believe that foam actually works better to cleanse than just using your normal cream. So there is a tool that you can make any cleanser on the market to become a foam.
Wow.
Right? Then after that, definitely, your typical, all the serum. You have, Korea is all about 10-step skincare, okay?
10-step skincare.
Then you have to put your serum, your eye cream, and then your moisturizer, your sunblock, depending on your skin type. Sometimes even 2 kinds of serum, not just one.
Okay.
For example, if you have T-zone, you have trouble here or trouble here, we will put different serum in different parts of our face.
Okay. यानी कि खवातीन अपना इतना ख्याल रखती हैं कि वो अगर आपका T-zone है तो इधर का डिफरेंट सीरम होगा, इधर का डिफरेंट सीरम होगा, इधर का डिफरेंट सीरम होगा, तो इतना पर्टिकुलर होती है खवातीन.
And most importantly also mask. I know have you seen those sheet masks?
Yes.
Sheet mask is very important. The face mask, sheet mask, that we actually, believe it or not, use it daily.
अच्छा, what is the best time to use a face mask? किस वक्त फेस जो शीट लगाते हैं मास्क को, कब से बेहतरीन टाइम कौन सा है?
Nighttime. We always prefer to use it nighttime. And definitely one very important note. Some women think that the longer you put is better. No. Why? There is a instruction that says 20 minutes. Put it 20 minutes, take it out. Yes, because why? If it gets too dry, the mask will start absorbing the skin, the hydration from your skin, so it's not good.
Yes. तो भैया जो इंस्ट्रक्शंस होती है ना उतना ही लगाओ, ऊपर ज्यादा अगर 20 मिनट लिखा तो 20 मिनट के अंदर पूरी रात लगा के you have to don't sleep.
Yes. No.
On it. And when to remove the serum of the mask?
No, then it's okay. You can sleep on with it.
Yes. So this is one of the very important tips. कोरियन अपनी खवातीन जो हैं स्किन का बड़ा ख्याल रखती हैं और खूबसूरती जो है वो मेहनत मांगती है. तो वो मेहनत है जो हमने इनसे पूछी कि वो क्या करती हैं. So this is, and what do they eat? Anything special that they eat for their skincare?
We eat a lot of more healthier food, but definitely if you are familiar with kimchi and ginseng chicken soup is very popular because ginseng has a lot of healing properties. And kimchi, because it's a preserved vegetable, a lot of the chemicals inside from the preservation is actually very good for your skin.
Okay. तो ये भी 2 चीजें वो खवातीन खाती हैं शौक से. तो फिर अगर आप भी अपना स्किन का ख्याल रखना चाहिए तो इस वीडियो को जरूर देखें और शेयर करें.